Mary, table 5 just left.
Okay, I'll clean it now.
Wait, they left something.
What is it?
$100 bill under the cup.
$100? Are you sure?
Yes, look, it's real.
But their bill was only $30.
I know, that's a very big tip.
Maybe they forgot it there?
No, they put it under the cup. That's on purpose.
Should we tell the manager?
Let's check the receipt first.
Good idea. Oh, there's a note here.
What does it say?
Thank you for the excellent service. You both deserve this.
Wow, that's so kind.
I can't believe it. $70 is my tip.
No, we split it 50-50.
But you served them more than me.
We work as a team, Mary. We always share.
You're right. Thank you, John.
No problem. Now let's get back to work.